Here is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Cameron II Plus ceiling fan. This was manufactured in 2001. These were came out. This kind of Cameron. The 2 Plus just came out in 2001. There are actually many finishes of these fans. There's a blue, a grayish finish, a white finish, white brass finish. Summer fans, sometimes they will have like 3 lights like straight down. Sometimes they will have 4 lights. Sometimes they will have a globe. Sometimes they will have a 3 lights up. So the Cameron II Plus is like the ones with like Cameron II doesn't have light. If you want to add light, you can always just like take the cap off. I got this at the Chantilly Habitat store in July 2016. Near the end of July. I got this. I got this camera. I got 2 cameras. Got this one here. And right there. Also, I got along with the craft made decorative. These are still at Home Depot. They're discontinued, unfortunately. The blue ones were out for a year, and then that discontinued another year later. I don't know. It's a really interesting fan. It came with all the parts. The blades were kind of really. At Channel Habitat, when I found the motor, I thought there was no blades, but I found the blades for it, and then I bought it. It came with everything except for the lowering on the canopy and the brackets. I borrowed the bracket, so. Anyways. And the, it's got, cherry 2, lightwood blades. There's the top. Go. And the pole chain is really short, so I just put the Hampton Bay pole in here. It can only came with one, so. Anyways, here's the light. I installed this last night. I didn't have time to make a video of this, but I'll make a video of this today. And I did see these on Fanboy 6. We're actually like at Fanboy 6's house. They have 2 of these. There's one in the living room. There was one in the guest room. There was actually one in their parents' room, but they took it down and moved it to the old house. Just took down the Victorian copy. That's what they look like. The Bay logo. There was the Bay logo on there too. There's the fan on low. I've seen these in catalogs on websites and stuff. I mean, these are the first 2 Camerons I got. If I ever get more Camerons someday, if I could ever get the blue one, I'll probably show it to you there. If I see a Cameron on one of the Habitat videos, if I ever go back to chance of Habitat whenever I can, because, like, stuff like that, so. Anyways. Here's medium. Starting to blow the mid-tone. That's not gonna go very far. Let's set this up. What I'm probably going to show you to next is probably the Hampton Bay Cameron II in white and brass. Also, I actually pulled the portrait too many times on the light. I can't take the light kit off because look, yeah, look. See, the portrait broke off. I've rolled too many times. The brackets have been on that one. See, it was the decorative. Dang it. There's high. Does wobble. Tornado in here. Just a light. And off here. So that is my Hampton Bay Cameron II Plus ceiling fan. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the ceiling. Hope you enjoyed the video. So that's Rock is out.